What's up, y'all? This is the Kershaw Skyline, and this is the Work Sharp Kin Onion knife sharpener. This is kind of sharp already. Here's a piece of paper. Well, maybe it's not kind of sharp. It could be sharper, right? So I'm not going to grind anything. This is a fine X4, I believe. Yeah, X4 fine attachment set at 25 degrees. So I'm just going to run it back through here and see what happens. See if I can get it a little sharper than it already is. Here we go. Get it right there. Alternate sides. Well, that kind of sucks my angle. It's terrible. Where my hand is. That side's a little better. Let's try this one again. You don't want to force it down in there. You kind of just want to let the weight of the blade rest in there. It's a little better. Let's see what that did. Still requires... Well, this is a thicker sheet of paper, right? This is thicker paper. Let me try this. I was going to say it still requires a little bit of force to cut through that, but it is a thicker piece of paper. This is just regular printer paper here. Let's see what it does. Yeah, kind of sucks, don't it? A little. Nope. Kinda will do it. Let's try some more. Wow, I really suck at this. Whoop, that's what you don't want to do. So full disclosure, this is my second time using this sharpener. You can probably tell. That one didn't even do nothing to it, did it? That sounded a little better. I'll put this towel down just to catch all the stuff you could see flying off the blade, the steel powder. Let's see what happens now. Whoa, getting much better, ain't it? Yeah, that's not bad. Well, that kind of sucked. As I say that, it does cut. Whoa! I might just need to do a full resharpen, regrind, and everything on this. Well, that was alright. Let's change out for a finer belt. This, whatever they call this one, blue one, or purple. Get in there. Alright, now let's see what happens with this one. This side, I don't know where my arm is positioned maybe. I know you want to be up here. Yeah, that's the way my arm is, I guess. Nothing's ideal, or whatever. I mean, it's sharp, that's for sure. Heck, might just call it good. I mean, I don't need it surgical sharp, right? I don't need a surgical sharp for a pocket knife. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. Nope, it's down. There we go. Now I'm screwing it up because I'm getting impatient. Alright, now let's see. Let's see what it does to this paper now. Here we go. Wow, I'd say that's better. I'd say that's much better. Well, I kind of just ripped it there, but yeah, we'll go with that. I'm going to stop there, call that good. Good enough for a pocket knife. Whoops. Like a samurai. Yeah. Yeah. No, okay. A samurai would never do that, I don't think. Yeah, yeah. No. Alright. Kershaw Skyline. Just a quick little... Hear that? Put up the mic. I don't know. Just a quick little demonstration of the Work Sharp, Ken Onion Work Sharp knife sharpener. I'll probably do a few more of these. See you later.